Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are going to fix an issue we have with the Acura ZDX. There is a slow battery drain somewhere that's causing our battery just to kind of go low when we let it sit for about 2 to 3 days. So it's a pretty slow drain. It hasn't left us stranded yet, but I wanted to go ahead and address the issue. I did a lot of research, and most likely it's the Acura Bluetooth unit that doesn't turn off when you take your key out of the ignition. When you turn off your car, it stays on, so it keeps draining your battery. This is a common issue with Acura MDXs, so I believe it should be the same issue with the Acura ZDX as well, because they share the same Bluetooth unit. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're going to take these floor mats out. These are the all-weather floor mats, and they're just kind of getting in the way. Alright, floor mats out. This whole panel should come out. So if you see, this whole carpet panel on the bottom popped out. So that's what I was looking for, is that Bluetooth unit right here. So it's connected to the passenger side carpet cover right here. All right, well, we don't really need to go any further. I don't have to remove this whole thing. But we went ahead and disconnected the Bluetooth. It's been doing a slow drain. It's similar to Acura MDX drain problems. So it keeps saying our battery is low. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. We're gonna leave it there. And if we need, if we decide to add, like replace it later, we can go ahead and swap it out. Now I know exactly where it's at. Okay, so now we're reinstalling without plugging in the Bluetooth. And these are all the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins. Start on the back, near the rear of the car. All right, back in.